Hey, what's up, guys? This is Jerry. So, in this topic, I'm gonna talk about several different things. Um, right now, I'm uploading that finally no more monetizing from YouTube. Um, there's a lot of people that made it, and some of the people they made it like real quick. With the subscribers, and I know that there's different ways to cheat the system. You can go and buy subscribers. You just type in Google buy YouTube subscribers, and it gives you a bunch of links. And like, I know some of the people I saw, they had like 500, and all of a sudden they jumped to 800 the next day or so, like that. It's like impossible, to get 300 subscribers quick. But if you go and buy subscribers like this link right here, it's kind of cheap. $5 for 100 subscribers, or $10 for 500, and so on. That's a good way to go ahead and jump to the next level. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna go ahead and buy subscribers. It's just not me. I prefer to get my subscribers by subbing to each other, and that way I can get the view hours and stuff like that. But that's a way that some of the some people, they did it. Like, they jump like real quick to 1,000 subscribers. You can even buy 1,000 subscribers right away. You just pay $20 and there you go. It's crazy. But then you're gonna have the problem with the watch hours. And like I said, there's a lot of hacks. YouTube wants to play games with us, so people find ways to do it too. They put rules, and people try to break the rules. Because YouTube did us wrong. So lots of people are gonna do whatever to get monetized again. Like I said, for me, it's just gonna take a little bit of time. I'm not gonna buy subscribers. I'm just gonna do it, subbing by other people, and people coming to my channel and they're supporting my channel, so I'm gonna support them too. That's my philosophy. Unless in the future YouTube says, "Oh, you need 5,000 subscribers," then probably, yeah, I will pay $100 and get 5,000 subscribers. But who knows? People, they do whatever they have to do to continue meeting the goals, monetizing, stuff like that. But for me right now, I'm not gonna do nothing like that. So in this video that I'm uploading right now, I talk about a lot of stuff about creating a playlist and stuff like that, so other people can watch it and you can get view hours. So that's all I have right now. So let me upload this video, and then the one that I'm recording, so I can get more videos out there. And that's one thing, YouTube wants you to keep loading videos so more people can be watching them. No, stay on this page. Let's see. Alrighty, I'm not gonna open another tab, but you get the point. I probably will make another video, but let me go ahead and see where it says like to monetize. It doesn't have that tab right here. No more monetizing. So what I just do is just copy this in the description. And then in there I just put whatever, but I wanted to show you the tab that's not there anymore. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. So I will make another video because I didn't open all the tabs that I wanted to.